Oi, over here. Cheers. It's me, your mate Skizzle. I'm back, and today I'm going to show you how to do a real simple prank. It's called the sneeze spray prank. It's bloody effective, and you're gonna love it.
Pranx CRU present Sneeze Spray Prank.
Alright, you ready? Here you go. All you're gonna need is a little bottle like this. Make sure it has a spritzer top like that. Well, isn't that fun to do? Spritzer. Alright, now the next thing you're gonna need is some simple water. You could use water from a bottle or the faucet, doesn't really matter to me much. You just put the water in the bottle like that. It's not very complicated, is it? There you go. I know you can do it. Then you just screw the lid right back on proper like that. There you are. Lovely. Then you give it a few pumps, and before you know it, spritzer! Now, here's how you use it. You walk up real close to somebody, make as if you're about to sneeze, and you spritz it right when you sneeze. And achoo! Just like that. It's real easy. Let's test it out. Yeah. Achoo!
Oh, don't get me sick, no!
Achoo!
Whoa, watch it, guy!
Achoo!
Huh?
Achoo!
Oh!
Achoo! As you can see, these are real fun to do. Keep one in your pocket at all time. You'll love it. It'll treat you right. So, thanks for watching. I'm Skizzle. So join the Pranx crew. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and tell me how the sneeze spray prank went for you. Alright, thanks so much for watching. You're great, you're tip-top. Till next time, cheers.